Inhale. Okay guys, one more again. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Okay, last more today. Everybody going up. Inhale, come up. Again, exhale down. Interlation finger to your left foot. Yeah. Okay, chest up. Going up. Come on. Straighten natin ha. Chest up. Okay, position to the left arm. Inhale. Twist. Ikot nyo yung hip sa shoulder guys. Turn your face to your back. Yeah, that's right. Look na. Lift. Followed by the left leg. Focus sa core. Okay, only your legs lang mag-move. Open. Come back. Control ha. Bend your leg. Press you guys. Here. Stretch your hip going up to the shoulder. Relax. Pasok yung head ha. Arms at the back. Look up. Feel you stretch ng... Relax again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Prayer pose. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Give your arms. No, stay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Concentrate ha. Lift. Naka-tiptoe. Knees together. That's right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come back. Control. Prayer pose. Okay. Then from that, you can try to exit into hip. Feel the stretch your hip. If you twist natin, extended here to the left side. Like that. So straighten muna. Make sure do not follow by the right shoulder. Right shoulder down. Left elbow down. Okay. Then after that, stay your right leg. Ipo-point natin yung right leg. Then, touch natin yung toe kung kaya. Going down. Yeah. Naka-fold. Twist. Yeah, that's right. Slowly, gently, going up. Like that. Like that. Engage yung back. Ganyan. Naka-hold tayo ha. Then to release, dapat slowly smooth. To release all the way. Pag release, release na yun. Okay, relax. Over your arms, grab. I'm sure you know that guys. Okay, climb. Reach natin yung ankle ha. Lift mo na yung head. Reach natin yung ankle. Go ahead. Okay, then after that, reach your ankle. Head down. Okay, keep pressing your arms ha. I-push natin yung legs going down. Press. Like that. Okay, slow. Legs up. Come up. Okay, gently move. 20 degrees to center. Lower. 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 Stomach in. Arms together. Engage na yung core. Suck and tummy in. Push up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,